Hello everyone, I'm back again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Margaret Nickel and I'm a licensed esthetician. I have been for the last 21 years now. And I want to talk about one of my favorite products, over-the-counter products, and it's called VaniCream. Do I like the name? No. Do I like the packaging? No. But I love the product. So this product, I have deodorant, I have cream, I have a sunscreen, 30 for my lips. They make all kinds of products. And I just love it. And a lot of dermatologists use this product, or they mix it in with their SkinCeuticals and their CeraVe and what have you. And then I also love this eye cream by CeraVe. And I want to talk about vitamin C and retinol. I have never used retinol. I mean, maybe I've used it a few times, and I've just never been a fan of the irritation. And in my opinion, retinol or retin-A, tretinoin is good for acne. That's what it was formulated for back, and it was on the market, I think, in 1969. And I have the book, The Acne Cure, from the co-formulator of retin-A. So I just look at it for acne, and I don't have acne, so I'm just haven't been one to use it. And with the vitamin C, there haven't been a lot of double-blind control placebo studies long term. We don't really know. People say to use vitamin C, how can it hurt you? Okay, it's usually pretty expensive, but I find that it does not lighten my sunspots. And the only thing that I've done in the 21 years I've been an esthetician are IPLs or broadband laser light. I just do lasers. And if you want to keep the sunspots from returning, then you can use the lightening products. But as far as like getting rid of them, you need to go and get your face lasered, your hands, your neck, your décolleté. So probably in about 3 weeks or so, I'm going to be getting some laser work on this spot, that. I burned myself with a peel. I have this. And I also have some sunspots on my driver's side also. If you can get a car spot here with UVA protection, that would be great. The Mercedes and a lot of the higher end cars are now coming out with UVA protection. So this is just going to be a really short video, because when I've tried to share my videos, it says that the video is too long. So now you know what some of my absolute favorite products are. They never have any fragrance in them. They're always for sensitive skin. They never have dyes. They're just great. So I hope that you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.